close till I get up. Time is barely on.
Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Comment nous est, comment tout bagaille pour nous? Je dis à moi porter un petit vlog pour nous guys. Nous pour aller dans monde ensemble avec moi. So restez ensemble avec moi pour nous voir tout bagaille comment ça a passé. Nous getons en route guys, n'a chiré route pour nous aller côté nous pour aller. So restez avec nous et puis ou après comment ça a déroulé guys. Nous allons monter monde 2 temps aller 2 temps tourner. So guys, nous rive, ça c'est non monde côté nous pour aller. Ça c'est non ça guys. La babier des dom guys, il toujours à babier les m'a fait vidéo. On va à bout de tête. OK guys. Yes. Restez avec nous pour nous voir comment tout bagaille pour dérouler. Yes guys, ça c'est monde ça que nous allons monter. 150 yards.
Let's see them to the top. Or see them halfway.
No, I can good enough with it, guys. It was so cool.
Wait, you gotta see what time
Leon Peel. Oh.
we gotta time you. It's gonna take you an hour, hour and a half.
More than 1 hour?
Hour and a half, maybe 2.
Oh. Yes, guys. Midi 18. Mais tout.
You want a kissy kissy? He's a kissy kissy. Babe, Shirley wants a kiss. Give Shirley a kiss on the cheek. Give her a kiss on the cheek, baby. Come on. Don't cry. There you go.
Okay, guys. Midi 18. Nous déplacer à midi 18, guys. Nous commencer. Bah, on est si n'a pas panne dans route. C'est tout pour moi, je connais ma panne. Bah, contre pour yo. Moi déjà connais ma panne dans route. Nous la machine nous. Ça a temps saute dans montagne là, guys. Hi. Presque 2 temps, guys, pour arriver dans tête monde. Là, nous presque arriver dans ouais. Qui côté nous pour aller mon ça a temps. À tourner.
You know how easy to catch heart attack? My heart is so racing.
On va te so jeudi, a belle. Quand gen do qui passe là quand même.
When it rains, yes.
Moi je commence sans me semble à mon qui sou. Moi même pour 30 minutes dans mon. Ja, puis non route là non.
Yeah, you want to bet? Have a long way to go still. Let's go.
Let's go.
I'll give you a nice bed of wet leaves.
John's gonna fix a bed for you with leaves, rock, and dirt.
To rest your head on
Some
and a big stick root going right down the middle of your back.
There you go. Show them the blue marking, Shirley. We're still on course. Show them the blue mark. Point at it. That's what we're following. The blue mark. Say hi, Shirley. Shirley's too tired to talk. Whew, so I'm taking over. Not good. Say, babe.
Come on here, 2 months.
Come on here, tout le monde.
Halfway.
Halfway. Miss Lazy, halfway there. And she drank all the water.
Hey, I'm the captain.
You're the captain? Yeah. You so tired you can't even talk. You the captain?
Of course I am.
These are the markings we're following. Blue. We're on the blue trail. So that's how you know your way up the mountain and your way down. Just follow the blue marks. Lazy.
Yeah, lazy.
Say lazy.
Not today. I'm not lazy today.
Not today. Got a long way to go. Ooh. We made it. Ooh, could you feel it?
The top breeze.
Ooh, nice. Oh my God. You can stop now.
Don't pull to the edge.
Okay, guys. Woo. Finally,
Careful.
we made it.
Don't look right, Shirley.
No.
It don't look right. Too late, but she looked right.
She looked okay. She knows it's there. But
She looked right.
Yes, guys. We made it. Woo. Ça fait mon taille là. Regarde tout bête.
Look over there. You show them everything.
Oh, guys, we made it. Kanya nou an le.
Over there. The road down
Ooh.
there. This way. Watch it.
Mhm.
yeah, don't go down.
Mhm. Yo marqué, guys, pour pas camper, pour pas aller pour elle ou bien pour pas camper bon côté, pour pas y glisser et descendre en bas. C'est ça fait remarquer. Ou pas supposé dépasser le cas camper côté là, mais ou va doit dépasser li.
North, north up towards.
Yes,
Canada,
guys, we finally made it.
And northwest towards Mount Washington, the tallest mountain, and west towards Maine, the state of Maine, and the Atlantic Ocean, and south, back
South is
down,
back down?
back down towards Massachusetts.
Oh, okay.
North,
Who bought lunch?
south,
Who bought lunch?
I got cookies.
west,
What you want?
and
Food?
I want a salad with
actually,
grilled chicken.
that was east. I said west. East.
East?
East towards Maine and the Atlantic Ocean.
Okay.
And northeast towards the tallest mountain, Mount Washington.
Okay.
You can't
North.
see it because of all the clouds.
Towards Canada. West towards Vermont, the state of Vermont. And south towards Massachusetts.
Okay. What you want, monkey?
I want a nice salad, a Greek salad,
Oh, wow.
with grilled chicken or grilled salmon. I think I want salmon, not chicken. Grilled salmon.
Oh,
Things called
I saw,
The quesadilla.
and chicken inside.
Chicken quesadilla.
Quesadilla, that's what I want.
You want a quesadilla?
Yeah.
I just want a salad. I want a salad with a big bottle of wine.
You're gonna catch it.
That's what I want. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
ooh.
That's either that highway, Shirley,
Doing good.
That highway is either Route 3 or Route 93 North.
Oh.
One of them.
That's 93 North.
Towards Canada.
Oh,
That's
okay.
93 North, babe.
Or it could be 3. I'm not sure. They're both like right around down the bottom there.
Okay.
Yep.
Lift
1,
me
2, 3.
up. Don't throw me away. Oh.
That was easy.
I know, because I made it easy for
Yeah,
you.
you were setting up.
Oh my God, a fish.
Well,
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I was just saying that. It's right here. It's fighting the current.
What is it? Oh, I saw it.
I don't see her.
I was just saying that.
Yeah.
You can't really see it
I
good,
think
but
I
it's
see
right
her.
there.
Vamos lá para ali na máquina cozinhar. Vamos ajudar na paquinha.
If it was a dry, sunny day, we probably would have made it down and let someone else.
Finally. No, this one. So, guys. Pour le monde qui a besoin de nous, c'est comme ça le relais. So, yes. Merci à nous qui pour regarder la vidéo. Ça m'a aimé tout.